Hello guys, Softoni here, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to create a modern motion background here in After Effects. This type of background is perfect for any creative project, it's quick and easy to make and no plugins required. So hit the like button and let's get started. Alright guys, as always here we are in After Effects, and first let's create new composition. I will hit here to create new one, and this is gonna be final, of course full HD 1920 by 1080, and as usual this is gonna be 10 seconds long. Now I will hit OK, and also for the first step let's hit G on your keyboard or hit on this little icon, pen tool, and now I will create line, but before that let's make sure that our fill is set to none and stroke is set to 5. Okay, go all the way to the left side outside the composition boundaries, click here and then hold shift on your keyboard and then you can click here to create perfect line. Okay, now I will go here, fit up to 100, and let's rename this shape layer 1, this is gonna be line. Okay, now let's open up this little triangle, go here on add option and I will find here wiggle paths. And also let's open up this wiggle paths option. And here for the size, I will go 150, okay, and for the detail, let's type 20, okay. For the wiggles per seconds, let's lower down, this is gonna be 1, and for the points, instead of corner, change here to smooth. Okay, this was our first step. I'll just close this wiggle paths for now. Now let's go here on add again, and let's find here repeater option. Open up repeater 1, okay, and for the copies, I will do 50. Now let's also open up transform option inside the repeater, and here for this position, for the Y parameter, let's type 75. Okay, close this repeater option. You can also close this contents tab, okay. Now let's hit P on your keyboard or go here inside the transform, and for the position, let's adjust X and Y parameters, move this Y parameter all the way up to fill up the composition, and also let's move this X parameter all the way to the left side. And now, as you can see, when we hit 0 here inside the final composition, this is gonna be cool looking line animation in just a few simple steps. Next steps are up to you here. You can select this line shape layer, go inside the effects and presets. I will add glow effect and drag and drop onto our shape layer. Okay, and here we can play around with this option. For the glow threshold, let's go to around 100%. And for the radius, you can also play around whatever you wish, okay, maybe to lower down glow intensity, something like this. And now I will add one unusual effect that you won't see as much as you can see, for example, this glow effect. Find here strobe light effect, drag and drop. And now we will create kind of flickering effect, change the color to whatever color you want. Let's try maybe this red color, and you can also play around here with the strobe duration and periods and everything else. And now when we hit 0, as you can see, we have created this flickering effect here inside this final composition. Let's try to maybe bring this number up for the strobe duration. Let's go to around 0.75. Let's hit 0 here inside the finals. And as you can see, our white parts now will be more visible, but it's up to you to experiment and play around with all of those effects. Alright guys, that was everything in this cool and easy tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And also if you found this video helpful, like always, hit the like button and also take a look at my channel for more great tutorials. And you can also check out the links down below in the description, drop a comment, and until next time, stay creative and bye bye!